We are going to discuss about e-filing of GST returns, concept and practical aspect of GST returns, modes of filing GST returns. So here there are different modes of filing returns are given. First mode is GSTN portal and website of it is www.gst.gov.in. Second one is offline utility provided by GSTN and third one is GST Suvidha providers, GSPs. So by these three way you can file the GST returns. Now summary of various GST returns available under GST Act. So here we will discuss some of the returns and who has to file these returns and what is the due date of filing the return, that we are going to discuss here. So now number one is GSTR1. What is the periodicity and what is the description of it? Monthly statement of outward supplies of goods and or services. So GSTR1 is for outward supply and it can be filed monthly, it can be filed quarterly. But there is a limit who can file quarterly and who can file monthly. Person registered under regular scheme including a casual taxable person can file this return. Due date prescribed in the act is 10th day of the next month. However, presently the same is being extended to 11th day of the next month. The next one is quarterly statement of outward supply of goods and or services. So who can file GSTR1 quarterly? Registered person opting for QRMP scheme including a casual taxable person can file quarterly. बट यहाँ पे ऐसा क्लियर कट बोल दिया है, तो दोज पर्सन हु हैज adopted QRMP scheme only they can go for quarterly statement of outward supply of goods and or services, and they have to file GSTR1 quarterly, and it is to be filed by 13th day of the month succeeding the quarter has been notified as the due date. Now next return is GSTR3B. It is a monthly return, and who has to file? Person registered under regular scheme including casual taxable person. And what is the due date for it is 20th day, 20th of the month. 20 of the month they have to file GSTR 3B. But here also quarterly return, quarterly 3B is available. Registered person opting for QRMP scheme can file their return quarterly including a casual taxable person. And what is the due date for it? 22nd or 24th of the month depending upon the state or union territory in which they are registered. Here there are certain states for which date is 22nd, and there are certain states and union territory in which date is 24. It is mentioned in the law. You can go in detail. Now GSTR4, it is a return for a financial year. Registered person paying tax under composition scheme. Those person who has adopted a composition scheme has to file GSTR1, and it is to be filed by 30th April of the next financial year. GST CMP 08. It is a quarterly statement for payment of self-assessed tax, GST CMP 08, and registered person paying tax under composition scheme 18th day of the month succeeding the quarter. So here GST CMP 8 is what? Those who are filing GSTR 4 has to file GST CMP 08, and it is for paying tax, and it is to be filed 18th day of the month succeeding the quarter. GSTR 4 should be filed 30th April of the next financial year, and GST CMP 08 it is to be filed quarterly. So GSTR 4 is annually and GST CMP 08 is quarterly, and you have to remember the due dates of it. GSTR 5, it is a monthly return. So registered non-resident taxpayer has to file GSTR 5 20th day of the next month or within 7 days after the expiry of registration, whichever is earlier. यानी आपको यहाँ पे ये भी याद रखना है कि GSTR 5 कौन फाइल करता है और कब तक उसको फाइल करना है? 20 डे ऑफ द नेक्स्ट मंथ और विद इन 7 डेज आफ्टर द एक्सपायरी ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन. जैसे ही उसका रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्सपायर हो रहा है उसके 7 days के अंदर अंदर विच एवर इज अर्लियर हैज टू फाइल GSTR 5. GSTR 9 is annual return. Registered person other than an ISD, tax deducted, deductor, tax collected, casual taxable person, and a non-resident taxpayer has to pay GSTR 9, and it is to be filed 31st December by 31st December of the next financial year. GSTR 10, it is a final return. Taxpayer, taxable person whose registration has been surrendered or cancelled within 3 months of the date of cancellation or date of order of cancellation, whichever is later. तो ये भी आपको याद रखेंगे कि GSTR 10 is for final return, and who can file this within 3 months of the date of cancellation or date of order of cancellation, तब तक उसको फाइल कर देना है. और ये कौन फाइल करता है? जिसको अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन सरेंडर करना है या कैंसिल करना है, उसको GSTR 10 फाइल करना है. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this.